Hello everyone. So we'll continue with our maths classes. So today we'll begin with matrices chapter 3. Okay. So we'll be solving the most important selective problems from this chapter. So first of all, let me tell you one thing. So if you have watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe and share with your friends, okay, and add your valuable comments. Try to watch the whole sessions, okay, without fail, so that you will be definitely benefited. Okay, it is selective and very important for your board and entrance exams. Okay, so let's begin with the problems. First problem, if the matrix has 28 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? And what if it has 13 elements? Okay, basically order of a matrix means m by n. We will call it as m by n. This is not multiplication. Okay, so this is number of rows and this is number of columns. So m by n will be the order of matrix. So how many? These are the rows. So m is the number of rows. These are the columns. N is the number of columns. Clear? Now for an m by n matrix, how many elements will be there? M by n matrix, there will be m into n elements. So in this question they gave the matrix has 28 elements. So 28 elements will be getting when we multiply number of rows and number of columns. Okay, so we can take the multiples of 28 so that how many orders can have, or the possible number of orders will get from the multiples of 28. Okay, so what can be the multiples of 28? We know 1 into 28 is 28, right? Similarly 28 into 1 also 28, and we have 7 into 4 is 28, also 4 into 7 is the another order, and we have 14 times 2 is 28, also 2 times 48 28. So when we multiply this term, the first and the second term, we are getting 28. So we are satisfying this equation, right? When we multiply number of rows and number of columns. So this is number of rows, this is number of columns, we are getting 28. So here it is given as 28. So these are the possible orders of a matrix containing 28 elements. So the same way, how to find out for if the matrix containing 13 elements? So similarly m into n should give 13. Okay, so 13 will give 13. Also we can have 13 into 1 also will give 13. So these are the two possible orders of a matrix that containing 13 elements. Clear? How to find out the number of possible orders if the total number of elements are given. Clear? So just need to remember this equation. Multiplying the number of order and number of column will give the total number of elements in a matrix. Let's see the next problem. So before moving to the problem, let me tell you, so once you subscribe the channel, don't forget to press the bell icon, because otherwise you will not get the new upcoming classes. Okay, So don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, just keep that in mind, and we are continuing our problems. In the matrix A equals A 1 x 2 root 3 x square minus y 0 5 minus 2 by 5. So this is our matrix A. Now what is the order of matrix? We know that. So the first question is finding the order of matrix. Okay, so order means m by n, right? So this is the order of matrix. What is the order here? Number of rows by number of columns. Number of rows will count 1, this is the first row, 2, second row, 3. So 3 rows are there. By number of columns, 1, this is the first column, 1, this second column, 2, third column, 3. So total 3 columns. So you have to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So 3 by 3 is the order of this matrix. Clear? Now second question, number of elements. How to find number of elements? M into n, that is 3 multiplied by 3. These two are different. Okay, this is the representation of matrix, not the multiplication. This is multiplication. So 3 into 3. So total how many elements? 9. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fine. Now the third question, elements A3, elements A23, A31, A12. So how to find the element? So you can just note down Aij element means, element Aij means this element lies in ith row and jth column. Okay, so Aij element means the element in ith row and jth column. So A23 means second row, right? So second row and 3, that is the column number. So second row and third column, second row, third column. So the element is this, right? This is second row, third column. Okay, so if you have any confusion, you can just mark like this using a pencil. Where the two lines where it is getting intercept. Okay, so this will be the point, the joining point of two lines will be the element. Those who have difficulty in finding. Okay, so just draw according to this values so that you will get the element. Now A31, 31 means third row and this is the third row and first column. So where it gets joined? 0. So where the two lines are intercepting or joining. So A23 value is x square minus y. A31 value is 0. Now A12. A12 means first row, second column. So the answer is 1. Clear? So this is how we can find out the elements.